Okay, let's do this simple basic AutoCAD drawing. Now this is very simple, but it looks a little bit tricky. Now we have a slot here. You can see down there's a circle. The slot is having a radius. Down here is 18, and then the inner one is 8 radius. So it's the same thing up here. The distance between the two of them is 40, and there's a straight line touching this circle. From the distance from the middle here to the top here is 9 mm. Okay, now we have some fillets here and here. Now there's a line also here with an angle of 60 degrees. Okay, so let's open our AutoCAD and start working and see how we can easily draw this. It's not all that difficult, so let's open and start. Okay, so you open your AutoCAD. Let's start from the circle. We have two circles, so I'll draw a circle with radius 8 and 18. So circle, click anywhere, radius of 8. It's very small, so you can zoom with the command Z. You press enter, you can click on extend and reduce it small, then click on circle again, and the other one is 18, so enter 18. Okay, now I'll copy both of them. Use the shortcuts, or you can use the copy command here. I like using the shortcut, which is copy, CO for copy. Now you press enter. Sorry, let me do it again. Press enter. Down, click anywhere and move it. Make sure it's straight. When it goes like it's not straight, so make sure the green line is showing, and then you enter a distance of 40. Press enter. Okay, press escape to exit. Now let's join this line straight. So I'll take the line command, I'll press L, click the N here, join it to this. I can copy this line from here and then attach it. Okay, so now I have it. Now you can see, let's draw this line, a straight line from the center here going. Now from the center is giving us 108, that is to the end of the side. So line, I'll enter 108, I'll press enter. Good. Now I'm going to move this line up 9 mm because of it's starting from this place. So this is the distance 9. So select it, take the move command, click anywhere and go up and enter a distance of 9. Okay, good. Now let me come down with this distance 60. So I'll draw a line, enter 60. Alright, now when you look at this place, you can see there's a distance from this place. The distance from here to this side is 30. So I'll just draw a straight line 30. So let me enter 30. Good. Now the 30 that we've done over here is to give us the distance. Okay, this distance. If you go straight to the angle, you won't get the exact length. So we want to get the exact 30. That's why we do the line. Now the angle, there's an angle here 60. So let's draw that one. Very simple. So you take your line command and you click here, the end point here. Now press on the shift key and press on the less than symbol. Now the angle is 60. So for you to get a 60 angle, AutoCAD read the angle from anti-clockwise. Okay, so this is 90 plus the 60. Okay, the 90 plus the 60, which is going to give us 150. Okay, so you enter an angle of 150. Okay, now you click, there is the angle form. So the angle form here is 150. So now you just have to track it from this end point and click here so that you can get your 30. Now let's measure the angle and see. Angular, you see we have 60. So in AutoCAD, for you to get the angle, you have to add up. That is from this side here, you know, this is 0, angle here is 0, coming up here is 90. So if you want the 60, you have to add the 60 to the 90, which is 150 before you get it. All right, let's continue. Now there's a line going up without any measurement, so let's draw a straight line from this point. Just click somewhere here and leave it there. Okay, now you see this arc over here is from this center, so let's draw a straight line that will help us get it. Straight line from here, just leave it anywhere here. Good. And let's draw a circle with radius 34. So circle, click the center of the line, radius of 34. Good. Now select the circle and move it. So select and go to move. Select it from the end side and attach it to this end point. Okay, good. Now let's trim the unnecessary lines. So you can use the shortcut TR for trim. Then you delete all the unnecessary lines that you don't need, even this one, and this as well. We don't need this one also. Now you can delete this line. Let's get rid of this. Okay, so now what is left for us to do is to draw the radius. So here is 10 and here is 6. So go to fillet and select radius of 10. Now select this line and this line. Okay, now go to fillet again, radius of 6 for this side. Good. So now you can see our drawing is neatly done. Now let's try and dimension the work. So to do that, I would like to create a layer for that. I'll create a layer for the dimension. Go to create new layer and then give it a name. And then I'll change my color, something like red, or let me use green. Okay, and then I'll also change my line width to, let me see, 0.2 and use okay. Okay, let me close it now. Now I'll select the current layer, which is dim. Select this one, put it on the current layer. Good. So now let's draw in dimension. So linear, center to center, 40. Let's take radius 18, press enter again. This radius 8. Good. Now enter again. This radius of 34, press enter to activate again. This 6, enter to activate this one as well. Good. Now see, remaining this height, so that one we go for linear. Let's take linear, then select this point and this point, the end point. Sorry, I selected this wrongly, so click here and here. It's not giving me. Make sure you select it well. Okay, if you are not getting it, you can actually draw a line. Okay, see, it's starting from this point and we added a fillet. So if you are not getting it, you can actually draw a line. Before that, let me change the layer. You can draw the line, track it from this place. Okay, let's leave that side. I'll attend to it. So let's dimension this place to this place. Change the layer again. It's 9. Good. Now the remaining part is this side, which is filleted, giving us some small trouble. Okay, you can draw a line here and then dimension it, or you can leave it. Now I want to increase the line width of my work, so I'll just increase it like this. And now let's dimension from this side to this side and here to here. Okay, so we have linear again from this point to this point, 30. Linear once again, that is the center to the end here, so center to end here is 108. Is that right? Okay, so yeah, looking at the work, this is what is expected of us. So we can actually, let me draw this line so that we dimension that side. Let the line come out. And distance is 60. Good. Now let's dimension from this place to this place. Let me change the layer. This side is 60. Okay, now you can delete the line. Good. So it's showing everything clearly. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section below and I'll attend to it. Thank you all for watching. See you in my next tutorial.